Good morning, 2-3. Happy Friday. So this video is going to be in multiple places today, but there's really only this video. I'm not making a video for reading, writing, and math. I'm just going to talk about all of it in this one because it's very short what I have to say about each one. So I'm going to start with writing. Normally, I know that we have a study island Friday, but reading and math, you are doing something else today. But for writing, you do have a study island assignment. So all you're going to have to do, it's going to tell you for your study island assignment for writing is remember that your usernames and passwords were posted on your Google Classroom stream. If you need them, just message me and I'll help you. You go to your active assignments, or you go to my classes and then view assignments, and there's only one assignment for today for writing, and it's on verbs, okay? So you're going to be doing a lesson on verbs. You're going to make sure to watch your lesson and listen to it, and then click on practice and complete the questions, okay? So that's all you're doing for writing today is a study island assignment on verbs. For reading, you are doing Judy Moody. So you're doing day 2 of chapter 11, The Winking Disease, because it's the last chapter. So I wanted you to make sure that you were ending it strong, okay? So you have to listen to chapter 11 again. The video will be there that I read to you. And then you're going to answer your last Judy Moody questions on chapter 11. So that's what you're doing for reading, okay? Now, math, you are going to be taking a telling time quiz, okay? And it's going to be in Google Forms. So you're going to complete the telling time quiz in Google Forms. Before I show you the quiz, because it's very simple, it's all about just giving you a clock and you're either going to have to choose the multiple choice answer or type in the time. Those are your only options, but it's all about just looking at a clock and telling the time, okay? Just please remember that with time, your hour hand is shorter and your minute hand is longer. Please remember that because that would trick you and then your answers would be wrong. So please remember for telling time, your hour hand is shorter and your minute hand is longer. And this is what it will look like. So when you go into Google Forms, you're going to type your name up here, and then you'll see that some of them are going to look like this, where it's going to show you a clock, and then you're going to choose the answer, okay? Remember, hour hand is short, minute hand is long. Remember that we're counting by fives, okay? You start up here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, okay? Now also remember that when your minute hand is between two numbers, you are always going to choose the number before it. And let me say that again. When your when your hour hand is in between two numbers, you are always going to choose the number before it, okay? Also, remember that this hour hand is going to get very close to the new hour as your minute hand comes up here. Don't let it trick you. It's not that hour yet, okay? Try to remember that. Be careful, okay? So the first are going to be multiple choice, as you could see. And then I'm just going to show you that it'll switch to where now, same thing, you're still looking at a clock, but now they want you to type in your answer. So you have to type it correctly. You have to make sure that you're just going to, I'm just going to pick a random time, that you put it, the symbol has to be there, okay? If you don't have that symbol there, then it's not going to have your answer be recognized as correct. So please make sure that you're typing it in correctly, okay? That's what it has to look like. So I hope everyone, I could zoom in a little bit. This is how you should be typing it in, okay? And that's pretty much all you have to do for your quiz. It's that easy. It's just looking at a clock and either choosing the multiple choice answer or just writing in the time. Other than that, that's all you're doing today. So math is a quiz right here on Google Forms. Reading is Judy Moody, the last chapter, day 2, answering questions on Google Forms like always. And then your writing is completing one assignment on Study Island. So I also want to make sure to point out if you do have any missing work, and you should be looking on on your Google Classroom to find out what you're missing. So if you have any missing work, you should start working on it because soon report cards are going to be coming out, believe it or not. So we want to try to get caught up with missing work. So anything that you're missing, you want to start working on here and there. So that way, when report cards are going to be due soon, you're not trying to make up 20 assignments that you don't have done. So please be mindful of if you do have any missing work, you're trying to get it completed so you don't feel overwhelmed as the weeks go by, because the weeks are coming down to the end of the school year, okay? So try to get some missing work if you have any done. If you have any questions, you need any help, you're confused, message me, I'm here. Other than that, enjoy your Friday. Get your work done. Remember that we do not have school on Monday. It is Memorial Day. So enjoy your 3-day weekend. And that's it. Have a great weekend. Let me know if you need any help.